All right, quick helpful video if you need to switch out your ink cartridge in your office or home printer or work printer, whatever. This is a LaserJet printer. You can see the model number right there, and this is how you do it. Now, obviously, you might not have this exact same LaserJet printer, so read the instruction manual, Google your actual model number, and make sure you buy the right cartridges. I'm popping links down below in the description, as always, for anything you see in this video, including the printer and the cartridges. Now, I do not buy the name brand. I never buy the name brand. I always go for these kind of cheap knockoffs on Amazon with great reviews. Yes, I tend to trust most reviews. I also read them first, of course. But anyway, it saves me a bundle over the course of a year. We don't print that much, but anyway. First things first, we're going to unwrap the cartridge and take the old one out. Again, refer to your specific instruction manual. But for this one, you just pop open the little lid there, and then it slides right out. Now, I'm taking special note of the orientation. There's a handle there. And you can see the actual ribbon, the ink cartridge right there. Don't touch that ever, especially on the new one. And we're going to be putting it back in just the way we took that one out. Now, the instructions for this do say go ahead and shake it 3 to 5 times to kind of disseminate some of that, shake up some of that ink in there. And then you're going to pull the tabs, basically any bright colored tabs. Read the instruction manual, of course. I'll tell you exactly where to pull. There should be either some rings or something like this that you pull all the way out. That kind of covers that ink. And then there's a hard plastic orange cover that protects the roller there itself. Anyway, that's for this particular one what it looks like, and we should be ready to rock. Grab it by the handle, same orientation, taking caution to not touch that roller just by the handle, and then it goes into the same grooves and same track that the old one came out. And it should snap into place securely. And then close the lid. Not bad, right? And you'll need to give it several seconds to kind of read the cartridge or read the roller. And you'll have to troubleshoot if there's an error message or whatnot. But we are good to go. The light finally turned off. See the green light there in my wireless. Love this printer, by the way, wireless. I've had a couple of other wireless that basically are crap. This one holds up over the years, which has been really nice indeed. Now we're going to do a couple test prints so you can see what the quality is on this particular non-name brand, this generic cartridge. Now I've got the HP app that allows you to pull up things on your phone and send it to the printer wirelessly, which is really cool. And they've got some sample activities and images, templates that you can print. The first one we'll do, pretty nice. Now this is a color template, if you noticed. Black and white laser does not print color, so let's get one with a little bit more black only on the template. Yeah, we're good to go. So, problem solved. Hopefully this has helped you out a little bit. Thanks for being with me.